This is a quick overview video of the new inventory feature with GoPrep. In our Learning Center, we'll have some more videos that go more in depth with each feature, but for this video, we're just going to do a brief overview. So firstly, when we come to the inventory page and the preps tab, we're going to be able to see that we have an upcoming prep on Saturday, and that's going to be for the upcoming Tuesday and Wednesday. You could see that we created a prep schedule for Saturday at 3 o'clock. So all this means is each Saturday at that time, it's going to generate a new prep for us. So what is a prep? A prep is basically a grouping of all of our new reports, such as items, ingredients, and supplies. And we'll move on to the items tab now. So under the items tab, we'll be able to see all the meals that we need for the week, which is similar to our production report, but with the added benefit now of being able to see meal costs. So you'll see when I click on one of these test items, I'll be able to see how much grilled chicken is needed this week, how much I'm currently paying for grilled chicken, and what the total cost is. And up here on the top right hand corner, we'll be able to see our total sales, our total cost for making all of this food plus the meal containers or any other itemized goods that you've applied, and we'll be able to see our total profit for the week. Next is our ingredients tab. In here, we'll be able to see each specific ingredient that we need. We could actually enter what we pay for that ingredient and how much of that we currently have in stock. And the system will be able to intelligently, based off of the orders that have been received, it'll be able to let you know how much quantity is required for this week, what the difference is, so how much you're going to have left in stock after, so you know if you need to order more, and of course, the cost for those goods for the week. And finally, we have our supplies tab, where we could set up non-food items such as delivery bags and meal containers, and we could set these up with something called a supply basis. And basically what a supply basis does is it lets the system know with every order we're going to provide a delivery bag, or with meal containers, with every item we're going to provide one meal container. And this could be used for many things such as utensils or anything else that you need to keep track of when you're making your deliveries. So that is a quick overview. Be sure to check out the other videos for a more in-depth look on how everything works.